Oh my god, we are at our new house, but this is our first time where the previous owners moved out, so it's empty. I've never seen it empty before, guys. I'm like, I can't believe it. I'm literally in shock right now. Because it looks, this is the first, I can't believe it, guys, because before it was all their stuff, so I kind of, you know, always felt like it was their house. But now it's like really becoming reality. I'm like, oh my god, it's really here, it's really happening. I wanted to just, we're just walking around for the first time. Lily's walking around for the first time. They still have some of their stuff here, like the curtains, but I'm gonna, you know, take those down. So let me show you guys. This is gonna be my closet. I can't believe it. I can't believe all of the space. Seriously, guys, if you saw my closet now and where I've been living since you know me, you won't believe it, the difference. Just so much places to put my clothes. I have nothing now. Nowhere to put my clothes. I think I have like one dresser right now. And then I have these 2 IKEA closets which hold nothing. So now I'm gonna have all of these. They're leaving these. The old owners are leaving all this nice stuff. So I can't believe it, you guys. I can't believe that this is my closet. If you could see how big, let me try to show you. I feel so small in here. It's so big compared to my old. So I don't know if there's any more lights, but this is how big it is. I can't believe it, guys, because seriously, if you knew how, this is like the size of my beauty room right now. Where you guys have seen me living. And it's like so, I don't know how to describe it because it's so small that I can't even take pictures and show you because it's so like discombobulated. Anyway, let me keep showing you guys. Let me keep showing you more. So all of the other owners, the previous owner's still here doing some stuff. But let me show you. I got this. Let me show you the bathroom. One of the bathrooms. So this is one of our bathrooms, you guys. Oh my god, look at the shower. It's this beautiful stone. And then all this good stuff. Oh, here's the light. Let me turn the light on. I can't believe it. Oh my god. So beautiful, you guys. Look at this. It's natural stone. Oh my god. This is my first time. Like, I don't know what we thought. I don't think we really thought we were getting this house. It has this beautiful kind of bench area to put stuff. And then here is more drawers. I can't believe it. I don't have any drawer space in New York in my other house to store stuff. So now I'm gonna be able to put like all my beauty products in here. Like, I didn't have anything like this where I used to live. If you saw how I didn't have a single drawer for my bathroom where I used to live. I don't know. I can't even describe it. I just had like, I didn't even have one of these, you guys. I just had the basin and then that's it. And then I would keep a few things here. And then underneath the basin, I put some baskets I got at IKEA, but that was all I had. Believe it or not. Believe it or not, that's crazy. I didn't have any room. Now I have all this space and wait till you see this. Then we have this room in here. It's just an empty room that goes down to the downstairs. There's another basement and my beauty room's gonna be down there. But this room, we're gonna put more shelving. But here's another closet for coats or shelving or whatnot, for towels. And then down here is my beauty space, but I'll show you that in a minute, guys. Let me get Lily, I don't want him to get hurt. But here's where the living room is gonna be. So this is another room, and well, it's nighttime now, but it has a really beautiful view. And that's our outside. And let me see here. This is gonna be our living room. And here's the fireplace. Oh my god, it makes the house is so warm. It's already warm now, it's crazy. I've already put Lily's bed out. Guys, I can't believe I just couldn't find Lily. It's already so big I can't find him compared to our old house. Here's my husband. Let me show you downstairs because the other owner's still here, so I don't want to like. So guys, I'll just take you downstairs now. I just grabbed Louie, but we'll go down and see the beauty room and all that good stuff. So here we go. So you go downstairs. That's some more of their stuff they're taking. Here's the laundry room, and then here. So this is like another area downstairs. I'm gonna paint this, but this is where we're at. I don't know what to do with this room, but here is my beauty room, you guys. Let me put Louie down. Here, this is where it's gonna be. So, well, that was the girl that lived here before, her vanity. But guys, what do you think? Do you have any ideas how I should decorate? My husband we were gonna take this down, but now the more that I look at it, I kind of like it. I think it's kind of different. It's like a glass block wall, and that's where I could put my filming space, and then here's where I could put maybe my purses and my shoes and things like that, and I'll put all my, shelving, and we gotta paint, of course, and my husband's gonna sheetrock. So I can't wait. And then this room, I don't know what, maybe I'll put a couch and things like that. I'll put a little couch, a girly area. And that's another door. It goes out to like a secret garden, you guys. It's so beautiful out there. I can't wait till the summer. But then that's the garage down there. And then here's another bathroom, you guys. Oh my God, this bathroom is crazy. Look at the jacuzzi. And then here is another shower. It's a big kind of walk-in. Oh my God, I didn't even see that last time I came. I haven't seen it. This is like my first time seeing a lot of it because I really didn't think we were gonna get it, so I didn't want to look too much. You know what I mean? I didn't want to like get too excited. But look how this is the bathroom, you guys. It's crazy. It's amazing. I can't believe this. So guys, here is the jacuzzi. Oh my God, I cannot believe this because this is seriously a dream come true. I always wanted to have a jacuzzi tub, so I can't believe it. Guys, what do you think about the glass block? Do you think we should take it down or leave it? I can't decide because my husband said it's coming back in style. So I don't know if he's just saying that or what. But do you think we should like go over it, and paint it with sheetrock? Look at all these lights. I gotta see how those lights work. There's like a bench here where you could sit. Oh my God, there's some kind of special lights here. I don't know what that's about. I don't know what's going on. Oh my God, okay. Oh my God, you guys, I just turned on those lights and it made everything turn like blue. So funny. It's like I was saying, it's like a disco. This is like a party house. So funny, you guys. I didn't even know that was blue. There's like blue tile. I thought it was, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if I told you guys before, but I really didn't think we were gonna get this house, so I really didn't look at it too much because I didn't want to get my hopes up, so I just looked at it and I was like, oh my God. But I didn't really, get into it. This is my first time. I'm like, oh my God, this is crazy. Because I just didn't want to get my hopes up, But look at it, guys. I can't believe it. I'm gonna be able to do like outfit pictures and things like that. Well, I have another mirror upstairs, right? Because we don't need that toilet situation showing. But anyway, guys, I can't believe it. Oh, I just realized this is more shelving. Are you kidding me? You should see what I have right now. I don't even think I have one shelf right now. I actually just have like some baskets that I got at Home Goods, and I just put my stuff in those baskets, like the towels and everything. We didn't have any storage whatsoever. Our towels are like, I just have a hook, like on the wall, and I hang the towels from them. So I didn't even have, this is crazy. I could put all the towels in the world in here. I can't believe this. And my shampoo, like my shampoo right now, I have nowhere to put my shampoo, so I could put it in here. This is cray, you guys. How do you open it? Okay. Oh, look, it has baskets. I don't know why I'm whispering. This is my house. Okay, guys, the other owner, he's gone now. He left. So I could show you the kitchen and stuff. So let's go upstairs. Okay, guys, he left. So I can show you the kitchen. Oh, here's the fireplace. I already moved Louie in. And then here is the dining room. So I'm going to paint this green color. I'm going to paint it like a white. But here we have the different colors to choose from. That's pretty. I really like this one, Silver Bells. What do you guys like? And then here's the windows. Well, now you can't see. But out here you could see the lake. And then here's going to be our deck out here. So I'm not going to open it right now, but you can go out there to the deck. And then look how high the ceilings are, you guys. I can't. And skylights. And we're going to take these out and put hi-hats in. And then this is our kitchen. So I cannot believe this guy's all this storage. I'm like in heaven. In the refrigerator. This is my first time opening the refrigerator, you guys. So much room. I can't believe it. And we're gonna paint, like I said, we're gonna paint this. We're gonna do a lot. We have a lot of work to do, I guess, in here. But what do you guys think? It has this beautiful granite counter. It's like a gray color. And double oven. Yes, as I love to cook, so I'm so happy. And more shelving, all kinds of good stuff. What's this? Oh my god, you guys. OMG. Wait till my husband sees this. He's gonna flip out. Another closet. Guys, you have no idea. I'm gonna show you now next time before we move out of the other house. If you guys saw what I was working with, you wouldn't believe it. We didn't have any kind of shelving whatsoever. You have no idea. So this is gonna be amazing. My husband's gonna go crazy when he sees that. He's gonna be so happy. So here's how it's gonna look. Here's gonna be the dining room. I'm gonna put my dining room table here. So now we're finally gonna have room for everybody at the holidays. And I'm gonna get a new light fixture probably. But now I kind of like this one. But I did have one I had my eye on. And there's more of those ceilings. I just love them. And the skylights are up there somewhere. And this is where you come in. So this is my door. I never had my own door like this, you guys. So I can't, but I'm so happy to decorate this. Oh, our nest. That's from the other owners, but I like that if they don't take it. But guys, I never had my own door like this because I've been living with my mother-in-law, so I live upstairs and she lives downstairs. But this is my first time having my own door to the outside world. So crazy. And then that'll be my yard all out there. So nice. And then when you walk in, this is like the entryway. I'm going to put a nice mirror. But there's this beautiful stone. Let me see if there's another light. Oh, there is a light somewhere. I don't know where it is. Oh, here it is. Turn the light. I don't know how to turn the lights on yet, but that's so pretty. And that's our kitchen. And that'll be our living room. Our couch is going to be here in a few days, guys. We got the big circular, sectional couch that's coming soon. And more skylights. And I'm not sure if I showed you this before, but this is another guest room. So this is from the previous owners. Oh, so cute. Is that a skylight? Yeah, there's another skylight. So there's so much light. Another closet. It's amazing, you guys. We're just working on our house today. We got our couch. I'm so happy. We got that sectional couch. I don't know if I had told you guys on my YouTube, but I always wanted one of those big sectional couches, so we got that. I never had one of those before. So there it is over there. Let me show you guys. But I already fell asleep on it. It was so cozy. But let me show you guys. Here's this room so far. We painted this room. This is the couch, you guys. It's so soft. Actually, there's another piece that goes with it. It's coming, the ottoman, and another like long piece for, I guess, you know, your legs and things like that. But we painted this. My husband painted this. And this is the couch, you guys. But I'm going to put different pillow covers on these. I'm going to get them on Etsy or something. But look at these windows. They're so beautiful. And then here is the rest of the house, and all the windows. Oh my god, I love the windows. We didn't have any light in our other house, so to have all this light is amazing. And then this is our view. And then here's the lake, you guys. So beautiful out there. And then let me show you from here is the kitchen. And it's just really beautiful. Sort of view out the window from the kitchen, and I got this beautiful stove and these beautiful cabinetry. So guys, I just got back to my other house that I'm moving out of, and so I figured I'd end the vlog here. So thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me today, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.